On 7th of September 2025 at about 18:30 hours, based on credible intelligence that suspected gun runners alleged to be from Benue State were sighted in a forest bordering Kadarko, Kiana local government area, offloading arms and ammunition for onward distribution to their criminal partners. On sighting the operatives, the suspect abandoned their luggage and fled deep into the forest. A search of the scene led to the recovery of the following exhibits or items: 4,046 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition, 11 rounds of 5.55 ammunition, 132 rounds of 38 mm ammunition, 75 cartridges. I wish to reassure residents of Nasarawa State that the command under my watch will not relent in its determination to rid the state of criminal elements, and urge everyone to remain vigilant, law-abiding, and supportive of security agencies throughout timely information sharing.